In the last 12 months, people with no background, no degree, no connections built businesses doing $5,000, $8,000, $15,000 a month. Not because they got lucky, because they picked the right thing at the right time. These are 5 of those things, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where you fit. Quick thing before we start. Most business idea videos are basically the same video. Dropshipping, print on demand, affiliate marketing. Stuff that worked 3 years ago and now everyone's doing. This isn't that. These 5 are growing right now. The demand is real, the timing is real, and the barrier to entry is still low enough that a regular person can actually get in. Let's go. Number 1, vending machine business. Okay, this one is genuinely underrated, and I don't understand why more people aren't talking about it. Here's the idea. You buy a vending machine. You place it somewhere with foot traffic, a gym, an office building, a laundromat, a car wash waiting area, and it just makes you money every single day without you doing much. A decent used vending machine runs $500 to $1,500. You stock it with snacks, drinks, or even niche stuff like phone chargers or earbuds. One machine in a good location can bring in $300 to $800 a month. Get 3 machines, placed well, that's close to $2,000 a month in mostly passive income. And here's what makes this business grow so fast right now. More businesses are open 24/7. More gyms, more co-working spaces, more late-night spots. All of them need convenient snacks and drinks for their customers, and they don't want to manage it themselves. So they let you put a machine there. You split the location fee, or sometimes it's completely free. Start with 1 machine. Learn the best spots, learn what sells, then reinvest and add another. This is one of those businesses that quietly compounds while you sleep. Number 2, mobile car detailing. People love their cars. People hate making time to get them cleaned. Mobile detailing solves that problem without asking people to change their schedule. You go to them, their house, their office, their parking lot. They don't move. You show up and handle it. $100 to $250 per car. 3 cars on a Saturday, up to $750 in a single day. And here's where people get this wrong. They think they need a full van setup to start. You don't. A vacuum, microfiber cloths, a few detailing products. You're under $100 and you're in business. Do good work on the first few jobs. Take before and after photos. Post them. One solid transformation post on Instagram can fill your calendar for weeks. This business is growing because convenience is basically a religion now. People will pay to get time back every single time. Digital products. This is the one that stops people in their tracks because the math is almost offensive. You make something once, it sells forever. Notion templates, resume templates, budget spreadsheets, workout plans, ebooks, mini courses. You build it on your laptop over a weekend, list it on Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, and every time someone buys it, whether you're asleep, at dinner, watching TV, you get paid. There's a person selling a single Notion productivity template for $17, $4,000 a month, consistently, from one template. Here's why it works. People don't buy products, they buy solutions. If your digital product solves a real problem someone is Googling at 11 p.m., they will buy it without thinking twice. Profit margin? 100%. Nothing to ship, nothing to restock, nothing to manage. You build it once and the internet does the rest. Quick pause. Most people watching this are going to think, I should do one of these, and then do nothing. And I get it. Starting feels risky, uncomfortable. But the people pulling $10,000 a month from these businesses, they weren't more talented. They weren't better positioned. They just didn't wait until it felt safe, because it never feels safe. You just go anyway. Keep that with you for the last 2. Number 4, home organization services. This one is blowing up, and the reason is pretty simple. People are overwhelmed, their homes are cluttered, their spaces feel chaotic. And after years of watching the home edit, following organization accounts on TikTok, they know exactly what a well-organized space looks like. They just can't do it themselves, so they pay someone who can. You come in, reorganize their kitchen, their closet, their garage. You create systems that actually fit how they live. $50 to $100 an hour. A full day job? $300 to $600. No license, no certification, just a good eye and the ability to make a space feel calm and functional. And here's the thing that makes this business compound fast. Every job is content. Before and after photos, a 60-second time lapse. One pantry transformation video can bring you 10 new clients. Not eventually, quickly. This is one of those businesses where doing good work is basically free marketing. Number 5, subscription box business. This one takes a bit more setup than the others, but what you get in return is something most businesses never achieve: money that comes back every month without you starting over. The concept is simple. You curate a box around a specific niche: specialty snacks, self-care products, stuff for dog owners, gear for coffee people. Subscribers pay monthly, you send the box, repeat. Even at a small scale, the math works fast. 50 subscribers at $30 a month, that's $1,500. 200 subscribers, $6,000, without a single new sale. There's a guy who started a specialty coffee subscription from his apartment. Month 1, 8 subscribers. He almost called it. Month 6, 340 subscribers, over $10,000 a month. Same apartment, still just him. What changed wasn't his resources, it was his packaging, his product, and the fact that he didn't quit. Start with a niche you actually care about. Test it with 10 people. Let the feedback shape it. Then grow. So, 5 businesses, all of them low startup cost, high demand, real ceiling. And here's the honest truth. One of these probably already made sense to you in a way the others didn't. That feeling isn't random. The only real question is what you do with it, because someone is starting one of these today. It could just as easily be you.